Are you wondering if apples are good for seniors? Today, we'll dive into this topic together. Join me as we explore healthy eating choices after age 60. As we age, our bodies change significantly. This means our diets may need careful adjustments. Apples are a familiar fruit. They're crunchy, tasty, and full of essential nutrients. But are they safe for seniors to enjoy? Many seniors struggle with what to eat. Apples often raise questions about their safety. Are they beneficial or harmful? The confusion usually comes from sugar content. Yes, apples contain sugar. But it is natural sugar, which is different from added sugars in processed foods. Natural sugars come with many benefits. They include fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants. These elements are vital to support our health, especially as we age. The fiber in apples significantly helps digestion. It can prevent constipation, which many seniors face frequently. Apples also contain quercetin. This powerful antioxidant reduces inflammation and helps protect against diseases. Some seniors might worry about sugar content, particularly if they have diabetes. It's essential to consider how apples fit into their daily diets. Enjoying one apple a day can be healthy. Just pay attention to your body's response. Now, let's look more closely at apple nutrition. They're rich in vitamins A and C. These vitamins boost the immune system. This is especially important for seniors, as immune health often declines with age. However, there are concerns for some seniors. Eating too many apples may cause digestive issues. If you take certain medications, apples can affect those as well. For instance, blood thinners need careful monitoring with fruit intake. This video highlights key insights about apples. They'll help you make informed dietary choices as you grow older. Remember, a diversified diet is crucial for seniors. Incorporate a variety of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins. To enjoy apples fully, eat them with the skin on. The skin has additional fiber and antioxidants. Also, try different apple varieties for various nutrients. Some have more fiber, while others are rich in antioxidants. In summary, apples are nutritious and beneficial for seniors. They provide essential fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants that support your health. If you enjoyed this video, please like and share your thoughts. Don't forget to explore our other videos on healthy eating for seniors. Join me again as we explore more healthy eating tips.